In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress website. And I'm going to show you how to do that by using the cache plugin. So what is a cache? Well, cache actually saves all your website files into static fixed files. But what do I mean by that? Well, if you go to your website, all these pages that you see here are dynamically generated by the server using CPU and RAM processing power. So it takes a while for the server to process or to create these files and then to transfer it over to you on your browser, right? So what the cache does is it actually saves all these pages and files and photos on your hard drive. So the next time you're trying to load a page like this, the WordPress website is just going to pull this page, this static page, right from the hard drive and delivers it all directly to you. So it doesn't have to go through the CPU or the RAM to process it anymore. That's how it gets fast, right? So let's go ahead and find what's the best WordPress cache plugin that's available. Right, so you have a few here to choose. Now, I used to use Supercache down here, but then I realized there's a new one called Fastest Cache. Now, I compared these two, which you don't have to do that. I did all the work for you. I realized that this Fastest Cache is really the fastest. So, although they don't have as many active installs as this one down here, now trust me, when you install this one, you're going to get a lot more benefits, a lot more speed from this plugin than this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and install this and activate it. I'm going to show you how you could configure it. It's pretty straightforward. Now, once you've installed it, go down and you'll see this cheetah head here. Click on it. So now I know the first look of this, you may be overwhelmed by all the checkboxes that you got here. Now, trust me when I say that you just have to check all of them. It basically does a lot of caching processes on your website. Now, for instance, you see this word minify here. You see it a lot of times. It's basically decreasing the size of your HTML file, your CSS file, your JavaScript file. Then you have this gzip here. So gzip is a way to compress your files on your server so that it gets delivered faster from the server to your browser. Now, the other plugin that I used, the Supercache, doesn't have this function. So it's good to have this one here. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So if you want to find more information, just click on I here. Otherwise, click Submit. Okay, so the next thing to do is we need to load our website for the first time. So you see, that's how cache system works. You have to load the page for the first time, then you save that page into your hard drive. The next time someone loads that page, it'll be a lot faster. So I'm going to go to my website here and reload the home page, right? So now we have a cache file, or at least this home page file saved in the hard drive on my server. Now, to fully appreciate this cache system, I went to do a speed test on my website on tools.pingdom.com, and this is the result. So the load time is about 4.51 seconds. Then I went to do another speed test at gtmetrics.com, and this is the report. Fully loaded time is around 3.9 seconds. So let's see how we could reduce the load time here after we install the cache plugin. So now let's rerun our speed tests and see how fast our website is. Let's go to this one as well and click Analyze. Done. Let's go down. So you see now the load time is just 2.45 seconds. Now previously over here, it was 4.51. Our website now loads like 2 times faster than it previously without the cache system. Let's look at the next report here. 2.7 seconds compared to 3.9 seconds. Now, isn't that awesome? So I would definitely recommend you to install this plugin for your WordPress website. Now, the problem with using a cache plugin is, well, sometimes when you want to change something on your website, it doesn't get updated because the website stores the data into its cache system. So the cache system actually still uses that old file. So what you want to do to update this cache system is to go to Delete Cache tab, click on it, and click Delete here. Or you can click this one as well, depending on what you change. If you just change like an image or a news or post, you do this. If you change the CSS file or the JavaScript file, which I don't think you might need to do that, so just click on this one, Delete Cache. So it refreshes all the cache files in your system and store new ones.